Emily's story. This story about how Emily became fluent in English in normal speed. Once in a small town, there lived a girl named Emily. She was always fascinated by the English language, but she struggled with it. Emily knew that if she wanted to become fluent, she needed to put in effort and practice regularly. Determined to improve, Emily started dedicating time every day to learn English. After finishing her school work, she would sit down with English books, trying to understand each word. It was challenging, and she often felt frustrated, but Emily did not give up. One day, she noticed a classmate, Aisha, who was excellent at English. Emily decided to approach Aisha and ask for help. To her surprise, Aisha was happy to assist. They became study buddies, and Aisha patiently explained difficult concepts to Emily. As their friendship grew, Emily's English skills improved. Aisha suggested watching English cartoons together and singing English songs. Emily embraced these activities, finding joy in learning through fun and entertainment. Emily's teacher, Mr. Johnson, noticed her determination and progress. Mr. Johnson encouraged Emily, praising her effort and providing additional resources. Emily's confidence started to build, and she began participating more actively in class discussions. To further enhance her language skills, Emily joined an English club at school. The club provided a supportive environment where students could practice speaking and shared experience. Emily made new friends who shared her passion for English, creating a positive and motivating atmosphere. As time passed, Emily's hard work paid off. She started reading longer and more complex books, writing short stories in English, and even giving presentations confidently. Her journey from struggling to speak to expressing herself fluently became an inspiration for others in the town. During a school assembly, Emily was recognized for her remarkable progress. She stood on the stage expressing gratitude to her friends, teacher, and the English club for their support. The town applauded, proud of Emily's determination and the country's role in her success. Emily's English journey became a story of perseverance, friendship, and the transformative power of education. Through dedication and the support of those around her, Emily not only learned a new language but also discovered her own strength and resilience. The small town celebrated Emily's achievement, and her story echoed as an inspiration for others to pursue their dreams with unwavering determination.